Yeah, if I don't have something new to work on, but I want to keep myself sharp in Excel, sometimes what I'll do is I'll find a neat math problem and I'll use Excel to solve that math problem. So I learned that you can estimate pi by drawing random numbers between -1 and 1 in the x and y coordinate and counting how many of those points land within a circle of radius 1. So I thought this would be a good challenge to make a spreadsheet that would show the random points, highlight the ones that land inside the circle, draw a circle, use array functions that spill, use the hashtag operator, use named ranges so I can make the chart dynamic. I wanted to allow myself to choose how many points I'm going to select so I can watch the estimate of pi get better and better as that number gets bigger. So you look at this sheet, I have a circle. In fact, I get to use sines and cosines, which you usually don't use those outside of school. And I learned a new function called rand array. So doing this also allows me to look up, hey, new techniques. How do I do this? I've never used that before. Will I ever use it? Maybe not. But again, this is just exercise so that I stay fresh for when I do have a new challenging problem that comes up at work. So we just look at this thing run. I chose 10 points here, and my estimate of pi is 3.2. Now we'll make this maybe 500 points, and it goes 3.256. It's not that great. Let's juice it up to 10,000. All right, now we're getting 3.12, and just for fun, let's make it 100,000 to see if I can break this thing. No, couldn't break it. Really good estimate on pi. So I'll put this sheet on 123happystreet.com for download if you're interested. That's all.